him so hard, his grandchildren will feel it.
Or maybe you'll smack him so hard he won't be able to have grandchildren. And you don't need to put it on heavy. See how I'm doing it? And then the eye thing you just kind of do. That's right. Phase 1, done.
Jeez.
Wait.
Yep, gotta get the nose.
Okay. Now we go to...
Black.
We're going to have to use a different color. What
Yo,
color?
Mama,
do you
black.
want?
Yellow!
Red.
Give me the yellow.
Why not the red?
We'll do the red as the dots. That part looks hard.
Not really.
Dude, I want to see it. That's not good. Not on a computer.
There, I got it. Come here, we're not done, dude.
Yeah. Wait, where you going? This is bad for the views. This is going on YouTube.
You don't even know how to post.
Yeah, dude.
You can post.
I have my account. Yeah.
Come here. Shut up. Sit down.
How do you put that on YouTube?
How do you do the eye part?
Here's an app.
Come on, sit down. I can't just do a blue face. I gotta get that blue over there more. So yellow is going to be...
Yeah, he looks like.
What's wrong? What's wrong with the paintbrushes? Yeah.
That's
Your
good.
eyebrow's yellow.
Mom is yellow.
Color his
keep your eyes
eyelashes too.
You can color his whole eye.
I am. Keep your eye closed.
Ah, my eye.
It's supposed to be safe. We'll find out.
John.
He's your puppy.
Okay, look out.
Now you just go bark at Bailey.
Yeah.
He might bite you.
my.
Okay, so we did that. That's good enough. Then
Dude,
we do...
I'm not doing that.
It has
Move. Where's the paintbrush?
Yep. Wait.
Go away! Guys, wait till he's done.
I'm gonna take pictures.